How to start wholesaling real estate with absolutely no money and get a deal in 4 weeks or less. Guys, my name is Rick and I've been wholesaling for 24 years. And today I want to share 4 strategies that are 100% free. That's right, I said free. And I'm going to show you what you need to do with no money to go out and get your first wholesale deal. But before I get into it, do me this favor. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who wants to learn the truth about wholesaling. So at least you're being honest with yourself. Hey, I have no money. This is how I started out wholesaling. And in 2026, you can do the same. But you're gonna have to work faster, smarter, and you're gonna have to put some sweat equity into this. And if you're willing to do that, let's get into it. So first and foremost, let's take the easiest low-hanging fruit. Because if you want to get something done in 30 days or less, you need people that are looking to sell their house right now. That means people that need to sell. The easiest way to do it is just use the government lists that are already supplied to you that are 100% free. Now, don't mistake me. Free doesn't always mean it's going to be easy. You're going to get some resistance. You overcome resistance with persistence. These lists have been around way before I ever got started wholesaling, and they'll be way around long after you leave wholesaling because these lists are tried, true, and they work. Remember, if you want to find fire, it's easier to find the smoke first than the fire. That's what a government list is. These lists will have people who need to sell. Now, I'm going to give you in order of importance the list you want to pull right now to find highly motivated sellers that need to sell. First and foremost, the code violation list. Now, this is not a court-derived lead. It's going to be derived from the city or at the county level. And wherever you have like a city hall or like a city annex, this is where you can get that information. Now, when I started out wholesaling, I used to go pull this list in person. You had to get like this PDF file. It was a nightmare. Now you can get these lists online and you can actually code them by using AI. Guys, these are people that painted their house purple, boarded up their windows, put on a blue tarp on the roof, missing mailbox, high grass, common sense stuff. You don't need a course for this stuff, guys. You just got to take action. Get a hold of these lists. You're going to find people that need help right now that need to sell the property. Remember, we got 30 days or less. We can only go with high target list. What do I mean by high target list? Low hanging fruit that's ready to be picked up right now before it spoils and rots on the ground. The next list is just the foreclosure list. And you want to catch the freshly filed foreclosures to see if you can help these people out. We call it the pre-foreclosure list because if you wait till the very end, it's complicated. It's going to require money and you don't have money and you don't have the time. So if you can get the foreclosure list, which is a public list, find the freshly filed one within the last 30 days, just get on the phone, start calling them, knock on the door, whatever you got to do. I'm telling you, these are powerful lists. Nobody chooses to be on these lists. These are people that need your help to get their property sold. We want to find ones that are actually going to take action. So if you catch them sooner than later, you have options built in this and there's absolutely no cost to pull this list. The third list is just the eviction list. This is a list where landlords file where they own properties that they do investments on and the tenant's gone bad. They've stopped paying the rent. God knows I'm all over this eviction list and I have people reach out to me and I've actually sold my properties just because I want to get rid of it. These are tired landlords that are sick of it on properties that are run down. They're getting no income from it and they usually own a lot of them and they're willing to get rid of their worst, most tired properties that aren't creating income for them, that are creating headaches. If you can connect them at the right time, build rapport with them and make them an offer, you'd be surprised how quick they'll take your offer. Once again, these are 100% free lists. This list is derived at your county courthouse. It is a public list because it's a lawsuit. Make sure you get this list. Now, notice I only give you 3 lists because we don't have a lot of time and we definitely don't have any money. So we got to take action now. What I want you to do is take your code violation list and your foreclosure list, and you're going to use a strategy called reverse driving for dollars. This is if you're doing it locally, and you just put a sticker on the door. Hey, got a quick question about the house. Put your name, your virtual phone number. Why? Because it gets a high response rate. You need engagement and you need to get it done as fast as possible. This is the fastest way. Now, I'm going to give you another little strategy. If you're out looking at these properties and somebody approaches you while you're putting up the sign, if they approach you friendly, talk to them because it will give you speed. Do not be scared. There's nothing better than to engage someone. I know it's scary, but I'm going to be honest with you. Your job is to help people out that actually want to receive help. So if they go, hey, what are you doing? We're looking to buy a few houses in the neighborhood. Are you interested? And if they want to engage you, take it right there because it's going to save you a phone call, email. You don't waste time. We're trying to get it done in under 4 weeks. So I want you to take your code violation list and your foreclosure list and use the sticky note strategy, reverse driving for dollars. Now, if you're also doing this locally, I can't overemphasize the simplicity of just doing driving for dollars. Just go look for ugly houses. Find these people that haven't quite made these government lists yet and get in front of them. Nobody chooses to have an ugly house. Life happens to them, loss of job, loss of a loved one. Everybody understands how life works. Our job is to help people. And you can do it by just going out and finding ugly properties and understanding nobody chooses to let their property get in that way. And when they get so ugly or they're so vacant and there's a problem, typically that house needs to be sold. You need to find the ones that need to sell right now. The bigger the driving for dollars list, the better off you're going to do. If I had to go find a deal in under 30 days, actually in the next 2 weeks, the first strategy I would do is I'd hop in the car with you and we would just drive for dollars. Maybe you got to do it on a bike. Maybe you got to do it on running shoes. I don't care. Go find blue collar neighborhoods and find problems. This, guys, is the fundamentals of wholesaling. It will never change. Why is this important? Because you can visually see there's a problem with the property. You just got to connect with the seller to see if you can help them out. And remember, this is your list. It's private. It's instant. It doesn't get any faster than this. I know it's not a sexy course, but it's the absolute truth when it comes to wholesaling. And 24 years doing it, I have a habit of doing driving for dollars. No matter where I go, I write down addresses and I reach out to see if they have interest in selling the property. Why? Because the more opportunities, the better chance of me making money and getting more wholesale deals. Driving for dollars, guys, it will never ever go away. I don't care how much technology is around. Get out there, get a list, get 500 minimum and look up their phone numbers and call them. At worst, I swear, I started out just knocking on these doors and I try to talk to people. I talk to the neighbors. Do what you got to do. Remember I talked about sweat equity? You're going to have to create urgency here. Urgency creates momentum. Momentum creates action. Action creates deals. Contracts creates money in your bank account. Don't do what the average person does. Do what is required of you to separate yourself from everybody else. Remember, most people wholesaling, they're just trying. You actually have to make it a must and do it. Creating this urgency will create such a skill set in you. Imagine what you can do with this urgency once you get some capital under your skin and you get a little bit more knowledge and become a better negotiator. It will be phenomenal. Trust me, this will work. Technique number 2 is just the good old Zillow one. Why? Because number 1, it's free. We are handcuffed. We have no money. So we got to get leads. I used to kind of poo-poo on this idea, but I got to tell you, the Zillow is not a bad strategy for wholesalers with the following criteria. And I've got basically 2 sets of ways to do it. First one is just calling the Zillows for sales. Here's the deal, guys. You're not a realtor. You've got to go find the people that need to sell. So here's how Zillow works. People always start out wanting to sell, and then after time, 90 days goes by, they actually need to sell, especially the ones that have moved out of the property. Their dream of selling at full retail without a realtor on an overpriced listing probably shattered at this point. So you're specifically going to go in and you're going to put the 2 filter criteria for Zillow for sales. Number 1, make sure you're using houses at or below the average median price in that market, because chasing high price homes on Zillow, no matter how old they are or tired they are, they're not going to work. So make sure you're staying in that blue collar, that average median price or below, so you can actually sell these deals to your cash buyers. Number 1, look for anything that's at least 90 days or older. That's right. I said 90 days or older. Why? The market's already done the work for you. Think about this, like a piece of chicken. If you want to get it like softened and tenderized, you have to beat it with a mallet. Well, the market is your hammer. It's that mallet. And after 90 days, honestly, they've taken hundreds of phone calls. They told they're overpriced. They told them their property's run down. It's not worth what they're saying. And when they're realistic, call us back. And after they go through that, they're actually almost horrified to answer the phone. So when you call them, you're going to give them a positive feedback. You're going to connect with them, see if you can find a number that's going to work. 90 days old will do the seasoning for you in the market, because these are people who wanted to sell, who are gradually shifting to need to sell. Now, you're going to have to go through some volume to find those. So the second criteria filter I want you to do is at least 2 price reductions. Remember, you only have 30 days or less to do this. Not 1 price reductions, 2 price reductions. Now, a little secret, if you want that filter, that's on the Zillow app on your phone. Don't ask me why they don't put it on this desktop. Those 2 criteria will give you enough leads. If you do sheer volume, you should be able to find a deal. In fact, me and Zach do it all the time online. You just got to dig. You got to find the ones that are going to shift from want to need. You're going to have to go through some volume with those 2 filters, 90 days plus, at least 2 price reductions. And you can pick whatever market you want to do. I like doing this virtually. You can do it locally, but you have better success doing it virtually. The other strategy with Zillow is just calling the Zillow for rents. Wait, Rick, I don't want to rent a property. Keep in mind, you have no money. You got 30 days or less to do this. Who owns rental properties? Landlords. So it is a two-pronged approach. Number one, you build your cash buyer list right there because landlords buy properties for cash and they turn around and they want to buy more in return. And that will help you facilitate selling these deals in under 4 weeks. Number two, a lot of these are tired landlords that want to get rid of the property. That just get sick of dealing with rental properties. So this is a list very few people ever access. Number one, it's free. Number two, it's smart. And number three, you can get it done in 30 days or less. Zillow works, guys. Use these two strategies. Number one, they're free. Number two, you can get a deal within 30 days. And number three is just good old-fashioned networking. I can't overemphasize how often this is overlooked. What do I mean? Number one, start with social media. Get out there in groups, find JV partners, joint ventures, and provide value to people. Either find cash buyers for them or find motivated sellers and match up with experienced wholesalers in markets you're not in. This is wonderful when you're doing virtual wholesaling. This will open you up to a wide array of more wholesale deals that need your help because they need to sell the property. Don't overlook digital bandit signs. If you want to learn how to do that, go over to freewholesaling.com. We teach all these strategies in extreme detail. Freewholesaling.com, digital bandit signs. We teach you how to post organically in groups and then add the wholesale marketing flair with it. It only works if you do it organically. If you try to spam this like every virtual assistant employee to get out there, you're just ruining your business. And for that reason, make sure you follow the coaching we give you for the digital bandit signs. It works all the time. Why? Number one, it's free. Number two, you have to put a lot of sweat equity in it daily, multiple times a day. Number three, there's no cost to it. I'll even teach you how to do bandit comments where these wholesalers teach you how to hire these agencies, $5,000 or $10,000 that will do all the marketing for you. They don't man the comments. I don't know if they're just stupid or they don't know what they're doing, but I get so many deals off the comments and it's 100% legal. I get a lot of crap for it, but I don't care. I'm what you call a guerrilla marketer. I've learned how to market for the cheapest price possible because my return on my investment is the most important KPI in my business, which means key performance indicator. This is why I don't use PPL and PPC because you'll get deals off them, but if you have to give them all your money to get the leads, what's the point, right? You have to learn the fundamentals of marketing. It is no different in 2026. Actually, now it's more important than ever because everybody wants in your back pocket. You have to take control of your marketing. If you don't know what your return on your investment is, you do not have a wholesale business. And when you outsource your stuff without any accountability for the ROI, you're going to have problems. So take charge of your marketing. Now, guys, don't forget your property managers. My God, these are real estate agents, brokers that manage large chunks of properties, usually 500 or more, and there's always 3 to 5% of them are always problematic, meaning they're vacant, the landlord's super cheap, doesn't want to fix it, or it's just in a problem area where they just can't rent it out and they need to get it sold. Why would they want to sell it? Because all property management is a lead funnel to actually do listings for real estate, and you're going to offer to pay their full commission. Don't freak out. It doesn't technically cost you anything, and you can trade speed and convenience to get equity out of the property and get it done in less than 30 days by just identifying these properties, forming a relationship with these property managers, and getting these leads directly to you. Why? It saves you tons and tons of time, and technically it doesn't cost you any money. Guys, also estate sales. Like, this is one of my niches that I'm really good in South Florida at, and I connect with every estate sale company, and they give me leads all the time. People that just want to sell a property right now. They're cleaning out all their junk. I get the real estate lead. I give them a marketing fee in exchange, and I let them sell all the junk out of it because I don't want it because it's going to cost me money to get out of there. It is a huge win. When people want to downsize their property, and especially when they're older, they call estate sale companies first. So make sure you form those relationships. And guys, don't forget about your local RIAs. These are real estate investment associations. This is a great place to network with people, to find JV partners. Some of my best friends, some of my business associates I deal right now, I found them at the first RIA I attended. I was never more excited to get this information. Guys, it's fun. You'll learn. Don't buy all the crap they sell there because you're going to get overpitched. I'm just telling you now. You'll find lawyers. You'll find bankers there. You'll find hard money. You'll find soft money people. You'll find title companies. And by the way, network with your title companies. They know everybody in town. It doesn't cost you anything. Form a relationship. Learn the rapport building skills me and Zach teach you. And this is how networking works. Now, I saved the best one for last. I didn't even tell you about it. We don't have any money and we don't have any time. I'm going to give you a cheat code right here, right now. You ready? Go to xleads.com. Sign up there. No, you don't have to pay. You get a 14-day free trial. And with that, not only can you access lists, but I'm going to give you 1,000 skip traces absolutely for free. That's right. I'm promoting your behavior of doing wholesaling with no money because that's how I got started. I didn't have any of this stuff to do. I had to knock on the doors. Guys, if you can't get a deal with 1,000 free skip traces, I'm concerned. And keep in mind, you can upload your government list and get the free skip tracing for it up to $1,000. You're welcome very much. This has cost you hundreds of dollars to do on your own. Guys, we need to find ways to get deals with no money, because don't let money be the barrier to get started. Don't buy into this lie that you have to hire an expensive real estate coach to figure out how to get this done. Everything you need is at freewholesaling.com. Go over to xleads.com, sign up for your 14-day free trial, get 1,000 free skip traces. And guys, if we provide value to it, keep us in mind and let's grow with you, because I can provide everything you need for data online with it. But I want to give you something. None of these other software companies are going to give it to you. Go over to xleads.com. And guys, if you got value from today's video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which of these methods you're going to use. And let me know if you're going to take me up on my free trial at xleads.com. So guys, I appreciate you. This is Rick Ginn signing off. I'll see you in the next video. See you.